test drive the 2007 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.